Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an Aphmau statue. But before that, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks! Okay, so these are the materials needed to make an Aphmau statue. We have white concrete, gray concrete, black concrete, terracotta, purple concrete, magenta concrete, orange concrete, brown concrete, and light blue concrete. First, let's begin by placing white concrete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On top of this row, we're gonna place 1 purple, 2 magenta, 2 purple, 2 magenta, and 1 purple. And on top of this row, place white concrete. Then on top of this, place 1 purple, 2 magenta, 2 purple, 2 magenta, and 1 purple. Then we're going to place 3 rows of terracotta. Back, we're just gonna copy the shape of her shoes. On top of this, we're going to place 3 rows of terracotta, and on top of this, place purple concrete, so just follow what I'm doing. Then we're going to extend the head with gray concrete. On the front of the statue we have to extend the head as well because it looks thin, so we're just gonna copy her face. Perfect. On this side, all we're gonna do is to match whatever color it is on the right and left, and we're gonna do the same on the other side of the statue. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!